For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The viewership for late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's last film, Dil Bechara, which premiered on Friday night on Disney Plus Hotstar, was so high that the OTT platform reportedly crashed around 9:30 p.m. For many, it was the first time they heard about Disney's OTT platform crashing due to high viewership. However, one must not be surprised as the film was released free for all, including non-subscribers across India, the United Kingdom, USA and Canada. Late actor Sushant Singh's last film, Dil Bechara, had received a rating of 9.8 on 10 on IMDb from 31,284 users less than 24 hours after releasing on Disney Plus Hotstar. The Hollywood The Fault in Our Stars, on which Dil Bechara is loosely based, has a rating of 7.7 out of 10 from 3,35,039 users. The number of people who have viewed Dil Bechara in less than 24 hours on IMDb is almost 5 times higher than The Fault in Our Stars, which released on June 6, 2014. While most Indian films, including remakes of Hollywood movies, run over 2 hours, the runtime of Dil Bechara is 1 hour and 41 minutes, including songs. You will not be surprised to know that the original Hollywood flick, The Fault in Our Stars, had a runtime of 2 hours and 6 minutes. It won't be a surprise if Fox Star Studio announces that the film's success was pushed them. It won't be a surprise if Fox Star Studio announces that the film's success has pushed them to release the film in China, the world's largest film market. Theaters have reopened in China but lacks new content due to new restrictions on the length of movies. China requires all movies in theaters to limit movie runtime to maximum 2 hours, and with a runtime of just 1 hour and 41 minutes. Sushant Singh Rajput's last film fits the bill. It's fresh content and the runtime is less than 2 hours. It makes a lot of business sense for the makers to stream it in India digitally for free and release in theaters across China. Actor Rana Daggubati has revealed that he will be getting married to entrepreneur Mihika Bajaj on August 8th. The two got engaged in May this year. It is likely to be a simple wedding according to their standards due to the restrictions on social gatherings in India due to the pandemic. The film industry has come to a screeching halt and affected daily wage laborers, including dancers. Bollywood superstar Hrithik Roshan extended financial help to 100 dancers after he learned of their situation from Bollywood choreographer Bosco Martes. Vijay Sethupathi has reportedly signed a new project opposite Bahubali actress Anushka Shetty and is soon expected to go on floors. It will be their first film together, and reports suggest that the Telugu version of the film will also be planned, keeping in mind the fan following of Anushka in Tollywood. Vidya Balan has revealed that the portrayal of mothers in films are changing, and her upcoming film Shakuntala Devi, which will release on the OTT platform, will show her as a woman and mother whose world centers around her own life. A report in a leading daily suggests that John Abraham starrer Satyameva Jayate 2 was also to go on the floors in September in Mumbai. However, the makers decided to bring some changes in the script, and now, as per the new script, John Abraham will be fighting corruption in Lucknow and the film will be based there. The uncertainty over theatres reopening around the world and audience walking into the theatres has forced big production houses to postpone the release of their film indefinitely. Disney and Paramount Pictures have postponed some of their films indefinitely, or at least by a year. fans waiting for movies like Tenet, Mulan, Top Gun 2, Avatar 2, and Star Wars will have to wait at least a year before they get to watch them on big screen.